Hey friends, welcome to Power BI Beginners to Advanced, the Masterclass. So at first, of course, what is Power BI? Well, Power BI is a data visualization software solution from Microsoft, and the answer many companies are currently looking out for. Therefore, skills with Power BI are in very high demand. And what we do here is we dive into one of the best self-service business intelligence solutions out there, believe me. So this course starts from zero, so I do not expect any prior knowledge. We start completely from scratch and to the hero level in 12 hours. So first, of course, we learn Power BI, so what I call the easy way, meaning we go step by step and learn how to create our first basic report. And after that, we dive much deeper into Power BI, so we learn how to set up a very more advanced data model, including all the data cleaning and transformation steps which are required. And we also dive much deeper into DAX, calculations in Power BI, which is the formula engine in Power BI. We derive valuable insights from our data, various insights and calculations. And finally, of course, we visualize our results, because there is the real value, right? So just to give you a preview here, let's have a look at one of the reports. This is, for instance, one. So this report is completely interactive, meaning you can click anywhere. For instance, I click here and you see that my whole data here gets filtered. The same is true if I interact with the other visuals. Like for instance, if I'm interested here in the sales in 2020 first quarter, I select it and you see that all the numbers get updated. And this is just one example. Of course, we create other reports as well. So let's have a look at another one, which for instance is this one, which also of course is interactive, meaning you can click here and you see that the data then of course filters up to the specific selection we have made. So regarding the DAX calculations, we dive into how to figure out what our top 10 clients are and what's the value of those clients. We also do scenario analysis in Power BI. We learn about customer classification and much, much more. So hopefully you're interested and I can't wait to see you in the first video. Until then, best guys.